was amazing. So finally, happy Friday, guys. We will be getting 2 days off from Rackspace. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nikhil Kothari. I am 25 years old. I am from Delhi. And since I said I am from Delhi, you guys are absolutely thinking right. मेरी भी bucket list में IPC के sections है. So me and my friends are actually banned from 3 metro stations because, like, to overcome Monday blues, we randomly press emergency stop button on the escalators. So like go lal button just to check if it's working or not. So just a random Delhi metro fact. So did you know it's legal with a fine of just ₹50 if you want to ride metro छत पे बैठकर? Real life subway surfer. So this is not a joke. This is a real fact. If anyone is curious, do let me know. I was contracted with COVID. So contracted is an understatement because मैंने hat trick मारी थी. I contributed to the COVID dashboard thrice. So during last quarantine, I was sad and having thoughts कि यार क्या करूँ? So I opened my laptop, then Google Chrome, deleted all my search history because Atmanirbhar Nikhil. And for the last time, I went to incognito mode and decided to read manga of Attack on Titan to know how it ends. You know, like it was ending at that time. Very important to me. I was following it for years. So instead of spending time with my family, मैं cartoon का look उठा रहा था. So if I tell you what is manga and AOT, if you guys are wondering, manga is basically Chacha Chaudhary and Nagaraj book in Japanese language, and Attack on Titan is story about a guy who gets friend zoned, and to escape out of it, he chooses the way of genocide. So in other context, I would say like just like what Salman Khan chose to do that night while driving on footpath. My bad, Salman ka driver. So when I told same joke at my previous organization, the HR pinged me over Teams and said, "Nikhil, you have been promoted." I was happy that चुटकुले सुनाने से promotion हो गया. So I had responded back, "It's actually Nikhil, not Nikhil." So I got the response by HR and it said, "You have been promoted to a customer. तू निकल यहाँ से." So that's why I came to. He's Salman Khan's fan, I tell you. So like as you know, 12th year result आने वाला है. So I have a very funny story about it with a core memory actually. So before that, like I would like to ask you guys, like how many guys you scored below 41 in economics 12 boards? हाथ खड़ा कर दो यार, शर्म की बात नहीं है. We have made it so far. So
12 बोर्ड हर एक बोर्ड में हुई
हमने बस पास किया है किसी तरीके से.
So okay, that's great. So for me, when the result came out, everyone was like, "ये कैसे हो गया?" Even me, myself, like. So long story short, celebrations were all around. I believe in humbleness, else Ambanis would have gone to shame about their pre-wedding if they got to know about my party. So like the celebration was so big that my friends still call me to this day and remind me of the celebration. Say, भाई अब तो पैसे दे दे, 8 साल हो गए. तो मैं उन्हें group chat leak करने की धमकी दे देता हूँ, so they don't bother me for some time. I did not study at all. I went to watch Batman vs Superman with my friends. Confidence feel होता है, you know, like when you are not alone when it comes to ruining your career. This all happened in 2016. So on the day of exam, I had nothing to write except my roll number and my name. Question paper was tough to interpret कि क्या है ये. I was just like a moment away from asking the teacher कि सही question paper आपने दिया है या नहीं. So after numbering all the pages on the answer sheet alphabetically in Hindi, English and German, I had still time left. But what I noticed, like my friend in front of me, like he was actually filling up the pages. And so I asked him, like, is he writing Batman vs Superman script? He said, "That's serious." He said, "Yes." And I thought, like, हमने वो मूवी हिंदी में देखी थी, तो how is he going to describe that scene कि वे बैटमैन से तुम्हारी मम्मी का नाम मारता है, चलो अब हम नहीं लड़ेंगे. So this was a reference to that movie. He gave me an idea and I thought like I will do the same, and but I barely remembered any dialogues, so I decided to write something on the sheet and use a sandwich method. So let me tell you what sandwich method is to everyone. Sandwich method is that method which is used by our manager during appraisal time. So top layer is like the manager telling us what you did badaya is saal. The middle layer, the bad stuff, what you did, what could have been improved and all. And the bottom layer is same as the top layer. So it makes a sandwich. That's called a sandwich in general. But in corporate life, in corporate world, it's on 5% increment. So coming back to my exam, I started writing with the question and ended with the question again, sandwich method. And बीच में I wrote एक कॉमेडियन के एंटायर वीडियोस लाइक एक रात पहले मैंने वही देखे थे. सो आई किड यू नॉट, दे वर फनी बिकॉज टीचर लाइक मी मेड जोक्स एंड टीचर मस्ट हैव बीन थ्रू द ट्रॉमा ऑफ लाइक सीइंग माय फ्रेंड्स पेपर जिसमें उसने डब हिंदी में सब इंग्लिश में आंसर्स लिखे थे. सो दैट मस्ट हैव गिवन द टीचर द ट्रॉमा, बट मेरे आंसर गेव मी 41 मार्क्स, सो आई गॉट R5 pass. So another story, like I was in villain arc few years back. Villain arc, if you don't know, it's like going into a phase where you want to change yourself, kill the whole self and be a better person. So this happens to only men when they get dumped in a relationship. Villain's arc is also, other name is also hitting the gym. So same mere साथ हुआ था. I was dumped by my ex. We were dating for few years, but she forgot to tell me that she started dating some other guy along with me, and it was awkward. So we left. She left me, and this girl, fan of Thanos, उसकी अलग bucket list थी. Like उसको हर religion के लड़के date करने थे.
I fucking hate
Like
you,
collecting
Nikhil.
Infinity Stone. So recently I heard she went next level and उसका कोई एक neighboring country का लड़का पसंद आ गया. So like bad for her. So anyway, I got into my villain arc. One day my father's come home with my bank statement and asked, why do you have so many transactions with this girl? Like, let's give my ex a name here. Let's call her Mamta for a reason. So I was not worried about transaction with Mamta, but I was rather worried about वो 17-18 रुपए के transactions जो दिन में 3-4 बारी हो रहे थे. 18 रुपीस के तो चिप्स के पैकेट भी नहीं आते, तो मेरे पे कोई बहाना भी नहीं था. No question was asked on Mamta query, but I told my father with heavy heart कि अब से नहीं होगी पापा उसके साथ कोई ट्रांजेक्शन.
बंगाल मत जाना भाई, ममता को लेके.
So thank you. So this will be my last joke, as this year brings another source of entertainment, the roti kapda makan of our news channel, which is election. I was somewhere in east of India last week. I won't name it for my safety. So I was there to attend a wedding. So it was a great wedding, but the groom and bride name were used as a nickname. My best friend also came along with me, and he asked why it happened. So we went to groom's father and asked. The groom's father told that he was told by event manager that this wedding will be called off if they dare to use a real name. So like the real name which was supposed to be on board was Mamta Weds Narendra. So thank you guys for your time. Now I can tell my relatives कि मैं चुपके लिए सुना दूंगा ऑफिस में. If you like my jokes, my name is Sari. If you feel like involving HR to any of my jokes, my name is Janvi Kapil. Thank you.
Thank